Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a trendy low fade and short textured hairstyle for men. This is a complete haircut and hairstyle tutorial, absolutely free, whether you're just starting out or you're already cutting hair professionally. This step-by-step guide will boost your craft and inspire anyone passionate about hair. Let's get started. Haircut process. We started from zero, literally. The first step was creating a clean low fade guideline. Then, I used guard 2 to reduce the bulk above the fade.
Everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your
Next, I went in with guard 0.5 to create the second guideline, sharp and balanced.
Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet over myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet over myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me.
To blend the first line, I worked from 0 to 0.2 gap, making sure the transition is seamless. Guard 1 helped me blend the second guideline. I refined the fade by using 0.5 guard again, perfecting any uneven areas. To smooth out the visible lines and shadows, I used the clipper over comb technique, a classic move to keep it clean and structured. Then I switched to scissors to blend the fade with the rest of the hair, sculpting around the head to shape it precisely. Now moving to the upper part. I started from the front and used a zigzag cutting technique. This gives a natural, layered texture on top.
Behind.
Next came the snap shear. Signature technique. This adds controlled texture and movement to the haircut, giving it that professional finish. Details and experience. After the haircut, I performed ear waxing and nose waxing to remove unwanted hair. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about this part? Then we went for a hair wash and relaxing massage therapy, an essential part of the grooming experience. Now on to the styling. Using the Dyson dryer, I'll show you how to create a natural, creative shape that suits their cut.
You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you. You're not by yourself. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes
To
it
finish,
better.
I applied Jason Makki hair pomade. It's a medium hold product made in Germany, perfect for adding texture with a low shine finish. The best part? It's easy to wash off, and you can restyle it anytime throughout the day.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. here in this room. What did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness.
And here's the full before and after transformation, a complete makeover from start to finish. Throughout this tutorial, I share techniques refined over 25 years of professional experience. I hope you learned something valuable today and hit the bell for more tutorials like this. Whether you're a beginner or advanced stylist, I've got you covered. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.